Hi guys, so we're gonna do an example now of angle of depression. So it says from an airplane at an altitude height of 1,200 meters, the angle of depression to a rock on the ground measures 28 degrees. Find the distance from the plane to the rock. So let's draw what's going on. So there's a plane in here. Not very good at drawing, okay? But some of you guys are very good at drawing, right? So this is the plane, okay? And this plane has an altitude, which is the height of 1,200 meters, okay? Now, the angle of depression to a rock, that means it's like the plane has eyes and it's looking down, okay? It's looking to a rock that it's in here. Let's draw a rock, okay? This is a rock. And then it's like the plane is looking down, okay? And remember that the angle of depression, it's from the horizontal down. So it's this. So it's a good thing if we actually draw the horizontal line in here, okay? So you actually understand that the angle of depression is this here. That's a very important thing. This is the angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay. And then the angle of depression on the ground measures 28. So this angle is 28. Okay. Find the distance from the plane to the rock. So they're asking us this. Now it's a geometry thing that you have to know. That actually, if I have two parallel lines, okay, and I draw a line, okay, this angle in here is the same as this one in here, okay? Now, if this is an angle of depression, this is going to be the same thing. This and this is going to be the same thing. Okay, that's what happens in this exercise. This angle here is going to be the same. And I'm sorry for this line, because it should be a straight line, right? This angle here is going to be the same as this. This is going to be 28. Okay, and that happens with all problems about the angle of depression, okay? You have to really make sure you understand that this equals this, not the angle here, but this, okay? So now they're asking us the hypotenuse. This is a hypotenuse, right? This is the adjacent, this is the opposite. So we have the opposite and the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, what are we going to use? We're going to use sine, right? We're going to call this h, okay? And we have to find h. So we have sine of 28 equals 1,200 over x. And this problem is different from the one here, because the x here was at the top, while here the x is at the bottom. And because the x is at the bottom, the way to solve it is completely different, okay? What I like to do in here is substitute this x with this sine of 28 and just flip it, okay? I think it's the easiest way. So if we would do that, we would have x equals 1,200 over sine of 28 degrees. If you don't understand this step from here to here, let me explain it to you, okay? Sine of 28 equals 1,000 over x. The way to solve this is, okay, times x, and this x cancel out, okay? Now I have x sine of 28 degrees equal 1,200. Next step, divide over sine of 28 both sides, okay? Now this cancels with this, and we have x equals 1,200 over sine of 28, right? That's the same thing as I had in here, right? But again, it's instead of doing all that work, it's easier if you change this with this, right? That's what I do. So now I have, again, I'm sorry, these calculators work differently, but it's the same thing. So I have sine 28 sine, and then I'm gonna do the reciprocal times 1,200, and this is 2,556 meters. Okay, that's the hypotenuse and the distance that we have, and we're done. Okay, so again, the work of this week is to do these problems. I think you're gonna be fine. Okay, and you still have some Khan Academy work. Remember that actually this week, Thursday, we don't have class. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.